What's good? This is Noah Thomas, and this is The Review. We sat down with Roy Woods, talked about his newest project. We also have an unboxing with our very own Giorgio Ocampo, Angie and DeLeon. They unboxed their newest Cops, and we have our first on-site performance with Deniro Farrar. Peace. How was your first show in New York?
It had me speechless.
Yeah.
The crowd was like so loud, it was insane. Like I didn't know exactly what was going on at first. I was just doing my thing.
Yeah.
Out of nowhere, everybody's like I just felt a burst of energy from the whole crowd, from like up top, from the back, everybody up front, is like jumping.
Yeah, I could tell you really like to perform, right?
Yeah, I love that shit. I love it.
Like, have you always been that comfortable on stage?
I could say yeah. I've always liked to be on stage, but I never really used to look at the crowd or anything. So now it's different. Yeah,
I like really get it popping.
I mean, I don't know how to dance, but I just like to move my body.
Yeah.
You know, right here, that's cool.
I think it was interesting that you didn't like your voice at first.
Yeah, never. I hated it.
Was it like you finally hearing it on record that you were like, is that me? Or you just knew how you wanted your music to sound and it just didn't sound right?
Yeah, that was it.
Yeah.
That was it. I knew how I wanted myself to sound and what it could be. I always had it in my head.
Yeah.
Always knew, okay, like it could sound like this in my head, but I couldn't engineer it myself to make it sound like that.
Got you.
Right? So once I linked up with an engineer, like I started liking my voice way better. It was just like Chris, it's not my mom's bedroom no more. Like, this is like, you know, plugins and VSTs that are used, and effects and all that. You know what I'm saying?
So that's why you're a part of every bit of the song. I can tell that you clearly don't just, you know, record and say, all right, do what you gotta do. You're like,
I need it to sound the way I need it, bro.
Yeah.
Every record, that's how I am. Yeah. And I just usually I'll do it in the booth, like whatever. I'll be like, yo, touch that up. But my engineer, the guy I work with, he already knows. Like that's why we work together.
Yeah.
He just does it on the spot. I'm just like, yo, I was already thinking of that. He just did it already. Like, you know, that's why I love working with him. It's crazy.
Yeah. You're very open and like very vulnerable.
Yeah.
When you make music.
Yeah. Facts.
Have you always like how did you become so free? Like, are people in the room when you're recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah. But like I'm just like that in general.
Yeah.
Right? I don't really have anything to hide. You know? I don't live like that because I feel like when you're hiding things about your life, you're just lying. You know? I'm just open with myself. Open. I have nothing to hide. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I just been that way. It's crazy. Free-spirited, young nigga. Now it's like I get it. Like fans tell me that like my music's helped me through depression, relationships, suicide, and that's all things that I went through. All of them. You know? So it's like it's on a level where it's just like just deeper with me now. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Next location.
When you first get into clothes.
When I first got into clothes,
Yeah.
I didn't know how to dress.
Yeah.
So I used to go to Tumblr, cause like everybody was on Tumblr.
Tumblr was popping for a hot minute.
Way, bro.
A hot minute.
Everybody was on that, and everybody used to just like find swaggy stuff on it and repost. Yeah. I made a Tumblr just so I could do the same thing, right? And A$AP Rocky was like the swaggiest nigga on Tumblr, the swaggiest. So I used to like look at what A$AP Rocky was wearing all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my guy. So like for like fashion shit.
Yeah. And now that you've, you know, evolved and become your own person, what are you into right now?
Shit. I'm just learning so much.
Yeah.
I'm learning about so many brands and that I never knew about, you know, European, American, like so much, man. I'm just learning. I'm a student in the game right now. Yeah.
You've been in the game for a minute, obviously not, you know, that long, but you've been in, you know, for a while now.
Yeah.
What would you tell a new artist that's about to go on tour for the first time?
Tour is all fun, but to have fun, you gotta be serious with it.
Yeah.
Waking up in the morning and doing what you gotta do. Yeah. Eating right, sleeping right, not smoking a lot, because you gotta take care of the boys. It's taking care of the job, of what you do, you know, so you can give the best performance out every night, you know? That's really important, you know, besides just the performance part, you know? so much I can say I'm performing, but like as you go through performing, you'll learn. You know, through experiences, you definitely learn.
You want a baby?
What's up, guys? It's Gian.
It's George.
And when I'm not crying myself to sleep at night, I look at limited edition sneakers on the internet.
I do that at night too, but it's not really like when I'm crying.
I keep it to myself. But you know, all this new stuff that I got this week is certainly distracting me from my anxiety.
Oh,
so,
you got some John?
I got some stuff. I'll get started. So, we dropped a shoe with Mizuno.
Oh, right.
The Wave Rider Phoenix. Sort of based on like the whole Phoenix story.
You know.
I think it's like a myth from X-Men.
Yeah.
But anyway.
X-Men mythology.
X-Men mythology.
Marvel mythology.
I learned that in school. Here it is. It's with Mizuno RB line in Japan, I think, but
In celebration of
I'm not gonna lie. I took these out earlier and I switched the laces up, but
I mean, this is good because you gotta show the people what's up.
it comes with like the gray laces on there or like the light blue, but I like the red. I think it's dope. What I love the most about this actually, I think, in addition to the Highsnobiety hits on the back tab right there, the pull tab, little crown,
low-key.
and on the tongue, I love the leather lining. The sole is like leather, or the sock liner is leather, which is really sick. I don't know if it's removable. I certainly haven't tried, but you can also see the Highsnobiety stamp
Oh, you can.
in there too. I don't know, man. I think this is like one of our most solid collabs yet.
Totally.
Not to like pat ourselves on the back or anything, but also kind of.
You know, not to totally open up with self-promo, but here it is.
Here it is.
Someone got lucky the last couple weeks. You know what these are?
I'm guessing Converse, but like ironically Converse.
Yeah, they're Converse.
Oh, I see what you did
But
there.
they're special.
Oh snap!
Y'all might have heard of these.
These white or off-white?
The
You
off-white,
Get it?
the 10th one
Yeah.
of the 10, finally saw its retail release. Some people got lucky, some people didn't.
I heard like the early versions, they sort of re-engineered the upper
Yeah.
from like the mesh because it was like
Tearing, I think,
Yeah.
something like that.
like this is, you know, this reminds me, if you're Filipino, you probably had like a screen door growing up.
Ah, yeah.
You know?
like the nets. Like
Yeah, the little
bug nets. Yeah.
little bug nets.
100%.
But I like it. You know, this is part of the ghosting pack. This is the last release in the 10. The ghosting pack was sort of deconstructing the classics. They did like the 97, the Zoomfly SP, the
Yeah,
Hyper
like
Dunk
the
React,
Hyperdunk, yeah.
17. And what else? Was there another one? Oh, the Air Force One.
Air Force One,
Yeah,
dude.
there we
Come on.
go. That knowledge,
yeah.
knowledge base.
I mean, translucent sneakers,
Right.
I think that's like a trend right now.
Left and right, in case you can't tell which one's which.
But they're actually opposite, so don't trust everything you see here.
Oh, what?
Yeah, see, Gian just got tripped up.
Dang.
Yeah, you
Maybe I'm
didn't
dyslexic,
realize.
or I thought I was for a second, but no, this is definitely the left shoe. What's important to note too is that it says vulcanized on the side, because this is not an air sole, it's a vulcanized
It's
sole.
vulcanized.
So that's a nice little, you know, nuance that sets these apart from the other shoes in the 10, which almost all have the air on the
Yeah, or
side.
like a cup sole, some sort
Yeah,
of
but
situation.
it's cool. These are icy.
Yeah. What color socks would you wear under these?
No socks.
You would go sockless?
No, I'm just kidding.
That is-
white socks.
All right. What else we got?
I don't know. You got something.
Oh,
What is that? What are those? Oh my God, these
They're
are
so cute.
adorable.
Come on. You got the Sean Witherspoons in the baby size. Look at this. Like, you
That's-
can put this on your car mirror.
put them on the car mirror,
Actually,
just like that.
That might be an obstruction of like, you know, vision, but whatever. Like, beautiful.
Yeah, there you go. You can, you know, just put them on your hands.
Yeah.
And I know you do those little skateboard finger things.
Oh yeah, I'm nice with the tech deck,
Right.
so like I'm gonna just
Just
kill
do
that.
that. All right. I think the next thing, Polo has been killing it with re-releases.
I've been
as of
have
late.
Polo.
You have. You're wearing Polo right now.
Polo. Down to the socks.
Original Lowhead, George Ocampo, who just discovered Polo 2 weeks ago.
Oh yeah, I heard about it. I heard on like Highsnobiety.
Right. So the CP93 line came out in 1993, if you can guess. They did the Stadium collection in 92 before that, and they just released the Snow Beach stuff, which went like fire hotcakes. The CP93 collection is based on the America's Cup, I think, a sailing race from that year. So
What a bag. First of all, this is a really nice bag.
it's a good bag.
So
But
just tear into it?
you know what? Yeah, we'll compare and contrast because there's 2 bags.
Oh, we got 2 bags?
2 bags.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. What I got in my bag? Okay. Okay.
What'd you get?
All right, I'm pretty happy with my bag. Oh, you got a hat too?
Ooh.
All right, let's compare hats first.
All right.
Let's start with hats.
I win.
You win?
I win. This is an awesome sailing cap. It's 5-panel. That one's fire too,
I like
though.
the crest. I like the embroidered crest here.
The sailing flags also are sick.
Yeah, but it does make it a little like, there's a lot going on. This one is very like, this is
low-key.
sailing.
This is sick though. And I love the patch on the back too. But wait, I think I got you beat.
Oh, you got 2 hats?
Woo!
Oh, snap.
This is
That's the
fire.
one.
This is
That's the
fire.
one. But I got disc John in here.
Oh yeah, I think that's part of the Polo Limited collection. It's like inspired by the vintage scarves from the 90s too. It's got the crest on the front. It's cool. Lightweight.
This is sick.
Oh yeah, and I just got more hats.
What the heck?
So
You got mad hats.
mad hats. Oh look,
Who
we're
chose
matching.
Hatsos?
I think they're dope. But I think the CP93 collection just dropped in stores. You can even buy it at like department stores.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
Macy's got some.
Yeah, Saks. And
Yeah.
them
But it
guys
is
too.
selling out fast. There's that 6 striped windbreaker, the Dayton, I think.
That one's gone. I
It's
think pretty
so
much everywhere
good.
you look for. This polo is part of the limited collection, which I
Yeah.
think drops in
June 12th.
June 12th. So I think you could expect a lot of similar pieces with like these sort of all over flag prints coming out then.
But yeah, the CP93 collection from Ralph. It's out now. I think that's it.
Boom.
As always, thanks for watching.
What's good? I'm Noah Thomas. This is On Site, and today I'm here with Deniro Farrar, man. What's going
What's
on?
good, man? I'm good. I'm good.
Let's talk about this first one.
Key to the dough. I got the key to the dough. It's almost self-explanatory. So I wrote it maybe like 2 years ago, and I just really want something that was super catchy, you know, like an infant could learn it. So this is it. Key
Yeah.
to the dough.
Dope, man. Let's get into it.
I got the key to the door. I got the key to the door. I got the key to the door. My nigga move keys to the door. I got the key to the door. I got the key to the door. I got the key to the door. My nigga move keys to the door. Whole thing for the 41. Just bought a chopper for 100 niggas. 100 round, kill 100 niggas. You and everybody running with you. I got the key to the door. I got the key to the door. I got the key to the door. My nigga move keys to the door. No work in the city is dry. Jacking you niggas supply. Robbing niggas on the low. Selling that shit for the high. I'm frontin' whatever you buy. Just bring me my piece of the pie. You rapping, I'm trapping, no lie. You niggas ain't fucking with I. When I first met the bitch, you was shy. Now she be whipping them pies. 30 rounds in my 4-5. You cross on him, you gon' die. My nigga be flipping and weighing the cold. Nigga be draining from sniffing the cold. Got a bad habit, the package of soul. Step on the wheel like I'm killing a roach. Learn how to whip, you can never go broke. Straight off the boat and we get it in boat. Pounds of the line and got bills of the midget. Heard that you got it, we coming to get it. Chasing that money, you chasing this bill. White residue cover all of my dishes. Pounds of the line and got bills of the midget. We heard it, they got it, we coming to get it. I got the key to the door. I got the key to the door. I got the key to the door. My nigga move keys to the door. I got the key to the door. I got the key to the door. I got the key to the door. My nigga move keys to the door. Whole thing for the 41. Just bought a chopper for 100 niggas. 100 round, kill 100 niggas. You and everybody running with you. I got the key to the door. I got the key to the door. I got the key to the door. My nigga move keys to the door. I got the key to the door.
dope.
So, how you feel about that?
That was dope.
Do you feel like you got the key to the dough?
I got the key to the dough.
You what?
I got the key to the dough.
All right, there we go.
Shout out my man Deniro.
Thank you.
Shout out of office on the ones and twos. I'm Noah Thomas. This is On Site. Peace, man.
Peace.